Alright, so this is how you're going to do a compression test on an 06 Honda Civic DX 1.8 R18. You're going to take all the spark plugs out and the coils. And this is the compression tester right here. I already tested the cylinder 1, 2, 3. I'm only down to the 4th one now. So I kind of forgot to do video, so I'm going to put that in and twist it in. And then just come into the car and turn it over. Some people arguing down there. Push in the clutch, try to start it. I'm gonna try to kick over a few times. That should be good. Come back up here. Check this. Which is a little bit odd because the rest of them were 150, but this one is 175. I don't know if I turned the key longer or what, but there's like a 25-pound difference right there. Between cylinders 1, 2, and 3, all got 150. This one got 175. I don't know what's up with that. I'm gonna go through and retest them. Maybe I started it longer on this one. I'm not sure. But let me get in there and I'm gonna just go through and start them all over again and see what happens.